12. And then for oxygen, what do we have? 16, okay? Oxygen, 6 times 16 gives us 96. And so if we add this together, we get 84, 96, 180. Our molecular weight is 180. Now we want to know our gram molecular weight. And how do we convert molecular weight of 180 atomic mass units to gram molecular weight? Anybody know how to do that one? It's tremendously difficult. All you have to do is put a G beside it. Instead of talking about atomic mass units, we're just talking about grams. So our gram molecular weight for glucose is 180 grams. Gram molecular weight of glucose is 180 grams. So now what do? We get all of some glucose, and we weigh it out, and we put 180 grams of glucose in 1 liter of water. And that gives us our 1 molar solution of glucose. Now you don't need to worry about going through this process. I mean, know how this is done, but we won't be doing anything any more than this. You might see something like this on an exam asking you a question, but it will be something pretty basic like this. How would you prepare a 2 molar solution? All you have to do is double. If 1 molar is 180, 2 molar is 360. This gives us a very repeatable, very quantifiable measure for making solutions, some of which are going to enter the human body. Salts, glucose, various kinds of intravenous drips that you give, they all have to have very specific concentrations. This is a very good way of giving them. One of the things that's kind of interesting about this measure is that whether we're talking about glucose or methane, you have the same number of molecules in both. So if you have 1 mole of glucose, or you have 1 mole of methane, which we talked about before, that was CH4. How many molecules are there? Avogadro's number, exactly. In each mole, no matter what it is, there are Avogadro's number of molecules. And that number is big. 6.02 times, what is it? 10 to the 23rd? Okay, that's a lot of molecules. But for every mole that we measure, that we make, it has the same number of molecules. So it's a pretty precise measure. Even so, I still like these little furry moles better. They do bite every once in a while. holes in my lawn, make little muddy piles. Probably seen that before. If you have a lawn where it's a little bit wet, they'll burrow around underneath, and then when they come up, they leave a pile of mud. Some people don't like that, so they trap them. I just let them be. I let just about every animal be as much as I can, because I like animals, I like people, I like things that live, I like to try to keep them alive. So I don't kill things around my house. I have animals running everywhere. I have a woodchuck that's living next to me that comes out every morning and eats corn that I throw it back. There's a pheasant that comes, and a bunch of crows, about a dozen chipmunks, a whole bunch of blue jays, goldfinches, doves, all kinds of birds. Rabbits love to come. They like my house. There's always plenty to eat. Deer, they come. Okay, so now we're going to switch, get away from this kind of basic chemistry.